Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 7th video in Python Web Development with Flask framework. Now in the previous video we have learned about connecting our Flask application to MySQL database and also retrieving data. So these are data from our database, and you can see that these are the database. Now in this video you can see that it is a tuple, and now in this video I want to show you how you can use for loop and how you can retrieve your database data in a table. Now I'm going to open my Python IDE, and you can see that these are the previous video that I have connected the Flask, and these are my MySQL configuration, and I have used Flask MySQL DB. So if you want, you can watch the previous video, and these are the data that I have retrieved, and I have this is my context variable, and in here I have printed the data in my HTML. Now I'm going to remove this, and I want to show you that how you can retrieve the data using for loop. So now let me just create first h2 h3 tag in here. So I'm going to user details from MySQL database. Okay, now after this first let me create a table. So table and the border, so let me give a border to table. I want one size border, and I have a cell padding, so cell padding to 5, also cell spacing to 5. Okay, after this I'm going to create a for loop in Flask. So you can create this like this. So you can give it for my data and data. Okay, now also you need to end your for loop. So let me end this at the end. So end for, and in here let me create a tr. Okay, now this is the tr, and also okay, now so I want to create another for loop also, because I want to retrieve it in the data. So for d in my data. Now we need to in our second for loop, so end for, and in here I'm going to create a td, and in the td I want to print my data. Okay, now let me just save this, and I want to refresh my page. Okay, now you can see that we have retrieved our these are the MySQL data in a table, so user details from MySQL database. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also like the video.